It's hard to get in here. It's windy out today in Las Vegas. Welcome back to Dickie's Beer Reviews. Today I'm trying Big Dog's Brewing Company out of Las Vegas, Nevada. This one is called Daze Hazy IPA, and this one is 6.8% alcohol. I got this one at Total Wine and More today. Is there a date on the bottom? There is a date. August 30th, 2023. I've noticed that Total Wine, a lot of the beers have old dates. There's one today that was like March 15th, 2023, and I didn't buy it. But I'm going to give this one a try. This has a hazy yellow color to it. Poured a huge head on there. It's got a really nice citrus smell to it. Smells like sweet grapefruit. It smells good. It's got a bitter, spicy taste to it. It does have a citrus taste. Tastes like sweet grapefruit. Tastes maybe a little bit of like mango. There's no mango in it. Just has that citrus taste. It's got a creamy mouthfeel. It's pretty juicy going down, and then it's dry in the end. A lot of spiciness in the end. A lot of like spicy bite on my tongue. But it does have like a sweet grapefruit citrus aftertaste. Not bad at all. The head on that is very creamy and thick. It's spicy and bitter at the beginning, but not hoppy at all. So yeah, really no hoppiness to this. Alright, to sum this one up, has a yellow hazy color to it. Poured a nice thick creamy head on there. It has a sweet grapefruit citrus smell to it. Maybe a little bit of spiciness in the smell. Initial taste is bitter and spicy. It does have a creamy mouthfeel and it is juicy, but then in the end it's dry. There's like a dry spiciness on my tongue right now. But it has a sweet grapefruit aftertaste. It's not bad at all. It's pretty easy drinking, 6.8%. Pretty decent hazy IPA. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, subscribe, leave comments, hit the like button. Till next time, cheers. It just so happens to be my birthday. So, 1970 I was born. You can figure out the age. But I didn't really want to do anything today. Just hang out here. We painted some on the bar again. And I put some lights up out back. But yeah, hung out with my wife and the dogs. My wife's actually inside watching Kardashians and keeps falling asleep on the couch. But yeah, we just had a lazy Saturday. Maybe I'll play PopDarts right now or something.